Hey, Eagle Run 2-3 here. Welcome to something different here. A little different video for you here. So this is. Let me start out with the problem. I don't have sprinklers on my property. The automated in the ground sprinklers, and I've struggled initially. I struggled with sprinklers just breaking and being poorly made, and the good ones were really expensive, and they still didn't really last that well. And so I came across a guy who made a PVC pipe sprinkler system, just that he can plug screw a hose on it, set it up, water it, and it uses sprinkler heads like typical sprinkler heads. And you can even, if you know anything about sprinkler heads, you can get all sorts of different nozzles and distances and all sorts of stuff. So I made two of these. One of them got run over by the mail truck, and this one has made it about 10 years now. And I painted it, and you can see it's just kind of barely showing, some wear, but this thing gets drug around everywhere, and it has been a heck of a unit. So I just change out the sprinkler heads if I want something different. I typically run this one, and it is just a 180 fan, so it gives you, half coverage. Lots of versatility. So we're gonna make one repair to this guy. This fitting right here, it just leaks really bad. I think it's just worn out. It's, 10, 12 years old. I don't know, 15 years old. I made them a long time ago. Let me go over real quick here all you need in order to do this. So you're gonna need, this is a 3/4 inch pipe. I felt like this was the most economical choice, and they also let you just buy like a section of it. And one section, I don't know, it's $2, $3, $4, and that's enough to make a whole sprinkler out of. And then you only need two unique things, because these are just regular T fittings, no big deal, nothing weird about that. And these are just, the end caps, nothing interesting about that. But this one's a little bit different, and this allows you to go from a regular sprinkler nipple that you would have in the ground that would go to your sprinkler head, which these are just available. There's a box of them. A regular one of these, you need a T fitting to go to this. And this is, I don't remember what they call this, but it was at Home Depot, and they had a whole box of them, so it seems like it's pretty universal. This is the only unique thing. And then the other part here is you need a way to go from your pipe and get to a garden hose. So in order to do that, you need this little garden hose fitting. And this is really the only thing that makes it expensive, because it's just this part is like $3. So that you'll glue this on there, and then you'll screw this in here, and then that allows you to get to a regular garden hose right there on the end. And it's as simple as that. All right, I'm gonna put this together. I'll be right back with you. Okay, so we got our old one tuned up here with its fresh part. Got some of the tape on there. Should be good to go. I don't know, is this thing gonna last another 10 or 15 years? I don't know, but I like it enough that I made another one just like it. So I don't know, this took probably 8 minutes to make. I've got 10 or 12 bucks in it, and I've got all the versatility of any sprinkler head that is on the market, including ones that you can change, like they can go 15 degree all the way to 360. It's pretty amazing. I think this is a really good idea. And if you're tired of buying a new sprinkler every year, and you want something that is repairable, replaceable, serviceable, and cheap, I highly recommend it. All right, well, thanks for watching. Eagle Run 2-3. We'll see you next time.